days. Once fully dried, strip the leaves and flowers from the stems and store them in glass jars with tight-fitting lids. A mason jar kept in a cool, dark cabinet will preserve dried herbs for 12 to 18 months with full potency. This means that a single growing season fills your jars for the entire winter and early spring. By the time the next growing season arrives, your perennials like rosemary, thyme, sage, and lavender are already waking back up on their own. Your annuals can be reseeded from saved seed or from another $1 packet. The cycle renews itself, year after year, at virtually no ongoing cost after that first $11 setup. There is a reason this kind of knowledge was standard in every American household 100 years ago. It was not because people were unsophisticated. It was because they were genuinely practical. They understood that depending entirely on a supply chain you do not control for something as fundamental as basic household medicine is a vulnerability, not a modern convenience. That understanding did not become less true over time. It just became less profitable for the people selling the alternative. Your grandmother knew what chamomile was for. She knew that thyme could break a cough. She knew that lavender beside the bed meant a deeper night of sleep. She did not need a prescription for it. She did not need a copay. She needed a pot, some soil, and a window with good light. You still have all three. The $11 pot is not going to replace emergency surgery. It is not going to treat a heart attack or set a broken bone. Nobody serious is making that claim. But for the everyday ailments that account for the vast majority of pharmacy spending in American households, the things that quietly drain your budget $15 and $20 at a time, month after month, year after year, the remedy is not complicated. It is not expensive. And it has been growing in kitchen windows and beside back doors for far longer than this country has existed. The only thing that changed is that someone figured out how to charge you for what used to grow for free. 1 pot, 8 plants, 12 months. And every single dollar it saves you is a dollar the system never expected you to keep.